guys, it's me, Steve, again. Hey, I'm actually out here on the Las Vegas Strip. We're over here passing by Caesars right now, Caesars Palace. I wanted to make a real quick video. Today marks a really special day for my wife and I. We're actually been in Motor Club of America now for 1 whole year, guys. Can you believe that? 1 whole year. And so I wanted to make a real quick video just to kind of give you guys some information about that and really what that means to me and my wife. You know, we started this business, guys, part-time. We were still working. When we first got in, a couple months later, we had the opportunity to transfer with my previous employer here to Las Vegas. Then, like a month and a half after that, guys, I was resigning from my employer that I was working for at least 6.5, almost 7 years, guys. So if you're looking at an opportunity or looking for an opportunity to really help you to earn some significant income for 2013 for the summertime. Hey guys, this is summertime. It's time to really make some money, make some changes in your life. You know, if you've been looking at this program, you know, I talk to people who've been looking at Motor Club of America for like a month, 2 months, you know, 6 months, you know, 7 months. Hold on, guys, someone's calling me. It's probably somebody wanting to know more about MCA. Typically, that's usually what it is. But one thing you got to focus on, guys, if you've been looking at this program, take advantage of it. You know, don't research yourself to death trying to find different things to keep you from doing it. Hey guys, I've been doing this for a whole year, and we get paid every Friday. It hasn't been a Friday that we have not gotten paid in this program, guys. I'm telling you, it's a great program. It's definitely allowed us to, I guess you could say, I really like waking up every day when I'm tired of sleeping. Not because I got to go to work, not because I got to do this or I got to do that. We wake up every day because, you know, we're just tired of sleeping, you know. And so we'll start our day, we'll work. Of course, we definitely take our business very seriously. So when I do decide to get up, I'll look at everything in terms of our emails, our business and everything as well. And, you know, but, you know, since we work for ourselves and we don't work for anybody else, we can do different things at different times. You know, we can take the whole day off and go visit. We can take the whole day out and go kick it on the strip, you know, on a Tuesday afternoon. You know, where a lot of people really don't have the luxury to do that. And if they do, they got to take a vacation time. Well, you know, and that's what I'm saying, guys. You know, take advantage of opportunity if it's in front of you. It's a great program. You know, you definitely want to learn marketing. You know, MCA is just a vehicle. So you definitely got to learn how to market effectively. We've got training and everything already set and in place for you. All you got to do is take advantage of it, go through the information, and start earning money with the program. A lot of people out here, you know, around, you know, the country are looking for an opportunity, and they don't have a lot of money to get started. But with MCA, anybody can get involved. It's only $40, guys, a $40 investment. $20 a month to maintain the service. It's just like AAA. I like to call it AAA on steroids because you get so many benefits with it. So it's a great program, great benefits, great company, great opportunity, and a great way for you to start making some major changes in your life. So that's all I got, guys. Hey, again, we're about to go get something to eat. We're just kind of celebrating, you know, our success in a program that has literally changed our lives. And so we're about to go get something to eat, kick it out on the strip a little bit today. And so I just wanted to make this video just to let you know that this is real. It's changing lives every day. It's changing lives. It can definitely change yours. You know, take advantage of the information. Click on the link below here, right below this video. Click on that link, mcaexpert.com. Right below this link, you'll see it. If you're looking at this video on YouTube, which I'm probably sure that you are, click on the show more section right below this video. It'll open up the description of the video and you'll see all the additional links and everything as well. So take advantage of the information. Click below so you can get all the details and then make the decision. Okay, that's all I got, guys. Hey, you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. We'll see you over.